In this video, you'll learn how to reinstall Claude Code cleanly on a Windows system. By following these steps, you will ensure a fresh installation that resolves any existing issues. Begin by closing all applications that may interfere with the installation process. Close PowerShell, Visual Studio Code, and any terminal windows that are currently open. This helps prevent conflicts during the reinstallation. Next, open PowerShell as administrator. To do this, search for PowerShell in the Start menu, right-click on Windows PowerShell, and select Run as Administrator. This grants the necessary permissions for the following commands. Now, you need to remove the Claude CLI globally. In the PowerShell window, type in PM uninstall-g at anthropic.ai/Claude Code and press Enter. This command will install the Claude Code package from your system. After the uninstallation, verify that Claude Code has been removed, type where Claude and press Enter. If the path is still displayed, you will need to manually delete the associated file. Typically, it can be found at C users your name app data roaming nonplod.cmd. Navigate to this location in File Explorer and delete the file if it exists. Check again by running where Claude. You should see the message info, could not find files, confirming that the removal was successful. Next, you will delete the Claude user configuration folder. Navigate to C users YALMain Claude in File Explorer. If this folder exists, delete it entirely. Removing this folder clears saved tokens, corrupted sessions, and any problematic settings that may affect the reinstallation. Now it's time to clean the npm cache, which is crucial for a fresh start. In PowerShell, run npm cache verify, followed by an npm cache clean -force. These commands will help eliminate any corrupted downloads that may interfere with the installation. Following this, check the health of your node.js installation. Run node-fee and where node in PowerShell. You should see a version number indicating node v18 or higher with v20 recommended for 26. Ensure that there is only one path displayed. If multiple paths appear, this indicates conflicting node installations that must be resolved before proceeding. If the node version is outdated or suspicious, uninstall node from the control panel. Go to Programs, select Uninstall a program, and remove node. After uninstalling, delete the following folders if they exist. C program files, Nodesh, C users your name app-to-tamer, and C users your name app-to-tamer roaming PM cache. Reinstall a fresh version of Node LTS from the official node.js website, and then restart your computer. Once your computer is back on, open a new PowerShell window as an administrator, run the command and PM install -g at anthropic.ai/Claude Code. Wait until the installation completes fully, as this ensures that all files are correctly placed. To verify that the installation was successful, run Claude-version. If the version number is displayed, the installation has succeeded. The next step is to log in to Claude, run Claude login in PowerShell, and complete the authentication process as prompted. This step is essential to access the features of Claude Code. Finally, conduct a final verification by running Claude-debug. If you see no errors, your clean installation has been completed successfully and Claude Code is ready for use. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.